Okay, so again, mabuhay madayaw, may bunag sa tanan, and welcome to this Tuesday's edition of Pep Talks. I'm Ian Garcia, our moderator. Kaubato this morning, our friends from the tourism industry, because Kadayawan, happy na mga-Kadayawan, no? And they'll be sharing with us all the upcoming events and promotions of their respective establishments. And these are all DOT accredited establishments and members of the HRSMA. Okay, so unahon na to, from the lady or from the gentleman? From the gentleman. Okay, gikan natin sa Pigas Lumoy. From Sir Miko. Yes. Sugdo natin, unsay naa sa inyong establishment this Kadayawan? Introduce din mo sarili and then tell us more about your promotions and mga activities.
Mabuhay madayaw sa tanan. Ako si Miko Canarias. I'm representing the Davao Bamboo Sanctuary and Ecological Park. So this coming August for the Kadayawan, we'll be having promotions for discounts for our hotel, up to 35% discounts on hotel stays, and as well as for our day tour packages. We also have discounts up to 20% discount for our day tour packages. And then we are also having this promotion, Kadayawan promotion, for those events, for upcoming function events sa Muang Resort. If you are a company or willing to do your event at Davao Bamboo Sanctuary, there are plenty of this new promo discounts that we are offering right now.
Okay, sige niya, magdungal pa ta kung sa additional information. And then from...
Hi everyone. I'm Roslyn Tapay, representing the Lanang Suites. So, which is we're having this discount and promos with our room accommodation as well as with the meals restaurant that we just opened. And then aside from that, we have this aside from the discount, we'll be giving a promo as well with our regular guests and the visitors from different cities. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Next.
Okay, hello everyone. I'm Maya Shah and representing Eden Nature Park and Resort, where nature meets adventure. So for this coming August, Eden Nature Park and Resort have these festival deals. We have room promos, we have Kadayawan Feast. We also have this fashion collection of Miss Maan Chua and Davao Pasalubong for our souvenir shop.
Thank you.
Mabuhay Madayaw, I'm Jane Duran, Director of Sales for Malagos Garden Resort. For our Kadayawan festivities, it will start on August 16. We have a 3-day thematic lunch buffet. It's 949 per head, but you get an early bird discount at 849. That's include, of course, the lunch buffet and the other amenities, but we also have Kadayawan dancers to welcome you and drum beaters and entertainment to entertain you while you dine in. And we also invited our Uvu Manuvo tribe members to play a traditional instrument, as well as we organize a simulated tribal heritage games to immerse in a tribal way. And at the same time, we have raffle prizes. So hindi na kayo kumain, mananalo pa kayo. So the grand draw will be on the Sunday. So all the diners from our 3-day thematic lunch buffet will get a chance to win an executive villa for an overnight stay for 4 persons. And for our room promos, our deluxe room starts at 6,500 per night. That's good for 2. Aside from the breakfast, that it also include the thematic lunch buffet for 2 and a welcome Kadayawan basket. Thank you.
Okay, thanks Jane. Next. Ang pinakakuyaw sa tanan. Okay, we share po siya gamay later about Kadayawan. So gamay lang, overview lang. Okay, but now it's for Rojan Inn.
Mabuhay ug madyaw. My name is Ryan Araw. I'm the Director of Sales and Marketing of Rogen in Davao. It's the newest property here in Davao, and it's located at the heart of the city, Mount Apo, corner Lopez Haina Street, Davao City. Right now, we're having a Kadayawan promo. It started last July, and this will end in September. So, ngayon pa lang mag-enjoy na kayo sa mga we're on 50% discount from 4,000 pesos, magiging 2,000 pesos na siya, and you will be enjoying a buffet breakfast for two at the Marina Tuna restaurant. Aside from that, during the Kadayawan, the Bagoba Tagabawa, one of our IPs will be displaying and will be showcasing their products in our hotel, mga iba't ibang beads nila, mga products nila, mga pagkain, meron silang ibebenta doon from August 10 until August 18. Aside from that, during the Kadayawan, magkakaroon din po kami doon ng food stand. Meron kaming Rogen Inn fruit stand during the Kadayawan. So our guests will not have a hard time finding things to buy kasi available na siya sa restaurant, sa Rogen Inn Davao. Thank you.
And we also would like to thank Rogen Inn because they'll be raffling off an overnight stay with breakfast for two at Rogen Inn to all our media guests nga naadiri karon. So ako ang chance niyo makatawag kay gamay para nagamot. Okay, so I've heard that some of the establishments will be having like Rogen and Malagos one. You'll be having your own cultural activities and then highlight of the abundance of the harvest. Napod ba sa uban establishments? You also have other...
Actually po, yes po, sir. Sa Eden Nature
sa Eden, sorry, sa Eden, of course,
yes po, we have this 5-minute cultural performance
Kasi
from
tawag ato sa inyo,
Kultura
ano?
Edeng.
Kultura Edeng.
Yes po. Then, sa ano yan siya, sir? Like, sa, during our buffet lunch, so they will have this 5-minute performance sa lower veranda. Then, ang Kultura Edeng din po namin is regular performance po nila is sa Tinubdan Cultural Village.
Katawag
po.
namin sa Tinubdan.
For the guest availing the guided shuttle tour.
So sa Tinubdan, regular na ang performance ito?
Every weekend.
Every tour?
Yes,
every time
po.
tour?
Yes,
So
every weekends.
Every weekends of August or during the Kadayawan weekend lang?
No po. For the whole year po.
Whole year, so
Yes,
good.
every
Okay.
weekend.
So ang nakalahi lang is
Sa
because...
August is Naslay performance
Sa
sa
buffet.
lower veranda po sa Vista Restaurant.
Sa Vista Restaurant,
Yes.
alright.
Yes.
Okay. Are all the promos for the entire month of August for all establishments or during Kadayawan weekend lang?
For the entire month of August.
For the entire month. Also for the other...
Yes, intermonth.
Sa amin, sir, is weekends lang po. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday yung room promo po namin, sir.
Room promo.
40% off.
Alright, okay. Also with
Also with Malagos Garden
Malagos.
Resort, sir. August 16 to
For the Kadayawan
15.
weekend?
Yes.
Okay, sige. Basta na yung mga questions sa itong mga friends sa media? Yes, King?
Hello, iparagod ko. Well, aki of GMA sa Paradyo Davao. At any one of you ka ng every Kadayawan babag sa old job ang inyong mga hotel or inyong mga establishment po.
Okay. Sige.
Yes, po.
Okay. Good morning. Thank you for that question. Okay. Yeah, sir. We're on our third year already. Rogen Inn is on its third year. No, we opened 2022, so 23, 24. We're on our second year. So far, even on our first year, nag-enjoy namin sa mga visitors na nanganhi for Kadayawan. And last year also, ubay-ubay po, enjoy po kaayo mi, enjoy kayo ang property. That's why we came up with many activities since ang mga guests, they look forward to that. In fact, some of our guests are asking kung unsay among mga pakulo during Kadayawan. So, we made sure talaga to partner with our IPs, with our 11 tribes one of our 11 tribes na willing na mag-showcase sa ilang products kasi isa siya sa mga highlights sa property, sa Rojan Inn. Selling of their products. In fact, during their stay there, habang nag-display sila, mag-conduct po sila weaving, mag-sampling sila dito, weaving, napod sila, and of course, their cultural performances na sila. Although we don't have a schedule yet as to when yun ang time na mag-perform sila, but guaranteed from August 10 up to August 18, mag-enjoy sila sa performances sa Bagobo, Tagabawa. Aside from that, also yung sinabi nga namin kanina na there will be parang ready-made na food stand. So ang guest dili na maglisod sa mangita, okay, we make things available for them na. So we find ways for them na.
Sa Eden po. Sa regular nga mga compare nato sa regular nga mga adlaw o sa Kadayawan, kumusta man ang ihap sa ato mga turista nga nagaadto?
For Malagos Garden Resort, sir, for the past 2 years, our daily average day tour guests during the Kadayawan weekend will range for almost 1,000 for day tour guests alone. On a normal weekend, we only have 200 to 300 day tour guests per day. And yes, we would like to thank our guests who always support Malagos Garden Resort for the past 2 years, and that is why we are eager to think of a new addition to how we celebrate Kadayawan this year for something new naman. That is why we organize the simulated heritage tribal games that everyone can enjoy. Thank you.
Kay ma'am, lahat na lang ito ng pangatana. Kumusta man ato ang pagpangada ma'am sa security and waste management?
Thank you po. So ever since naman po sa Eden Nature Park, we we ensure the guest. We also ensure that na yung security, yung waste management is really parang talaga siya, sir, nakaset na po talaga siya na ganun po. So parang I think ever since naman po namin ginagawa, sir, parang na po siya, parang regular na siya, gina-practice na namo siya, sir. So
Yes, baka may madagdag ka.
It's the same thing, Char. Yeah, actually in our establishment, yes, the security is like, we are very tight when it comes to that, especially like in different cities, they will be going here in Davao to celebrate it with us, the festival, which is, we really are tight when it comes to checking in. We have to make sure that everything is clear before they check in. And then if they would ask some other things, we can provide that. But aside from that, the waste management, we do practice that as well. Yes.
Sige, last na lang po kayo, sir.
In regards to security, our resort is partnered with the local LGUs, with the barangay. And then in terms naman of the waste management, because we are an ecological park, we actually do regularly practice waste management. So we do not have problems with those naman in the past few years. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, napatay questions? Carlo?
Good morning, especially I miss you, Ma'am Ryan. Yes, I'd like to, let's just say, ask na lang sa Panano, with the approximate of influx of guests in every festivity, not only in Kadayawan but also Araw ng Davao and Pasko Fiesta. In your humble and honest opinion, how many percent dawat ang mga guests annually for every festivity?
Okay, per hotel po tayo, sir. Hi, Sir Carlo. Okay, for Rojan Inn, since bago pa siya, ang data nato is we're enjoying more than 50% average room rate, average room percentage natin sa Rojan Inn. So far, we have not experienced going below. Maybe on non-peak, but we are very thankful for our FITs because we are really enjoying. So, ibig sabihin, daghan pa nga mga bisita. We have group bookings, but right now we are enjoying our FITs thanks to them. Sila po daw, more than 50% po daw sila nag-enjoy. Ako na yung mutubag for them.
Spokesperson sa kuan.
And
HR Summit.
let me get back to your question regarding the waste management. That is one of the projects of, going to be the projects of Hotel Resort Sales and Davao Hotel Resort Sales and Marketing Association. We are now practicing as much as possible sustainability. So in fact, some of the hotels, we try to lessen the use of plastic bottles. Nag-provide naming mga water dispensers per floor. Dito na sila mukuha. So we make sure, of course, limpyo siya, and then ang isa sa mga butang na mabawasan yun ang waste nato, especially sa hotels, the plastic bottles. So right now we are practicing already the water dispenser use per floor. Thank you.
Nabasa about properties pod who would like to share mga sustainable practices?
For Malagos Garden Resort, we are advocates of one green initiative at a time. So we really push on zero management waste in partnership with our sister company, the Davao Biotech. And of course, for the security naman, sir, we always make sure that our guests are safe, and not only during the Kadayawan or any holidays, but on a daily basis. So we thank our tourist police for always assisting us, and they are very visible naman in the area. And for Kadayawan, they always tighten the security with also the help of Baguio District Police. Thank you.
Okay, yes.
Unsa ang kamayungdanan na importansya no sa paglakip sa mga cultural activities and other in line with the cultures sa ato ang mga companies. Importansya ani cultural preservation and pag-promote sa atong kultura.
For Malagos Garden Resort, we always tap our Uvu Manuvu tribe in Malagos because especially Kadayawan, not only in Kadayawan, we also have the Earth Day. We tap with them to entertain our guests during at night with a tribal instrument. For Kadayawan, this is our way to give thanks because we also, one of our advocacies is one community at a time. So this is our way to give thanks to our Uvu Manuvu tribe and to highlight that Kadayawan is a celebration of the 11 tribes in Davao. Thank you.
And speaking of culture, no, since in the upcoming Kadayawan Festival, doon na tayo bantawan sa Magsaysay Park. Tama bang?
Sa Bantaw, yes.
And then Ryan will be part of it. And tagaan siguro tagdamay lang nga overview on what will happen sa Bantaw. It's more about the cultural events sa Kadayawan. No? The more authentic no, na part of the festival.
Ang Kadayawan na good, in my opinion, okay. Sa ako experience since naging resident ako ng Davao City, I have really appreciated the culture and tradition that is being showcased here in Davao City. So as much as possible in every activity that we make, especially pag namin mga bisita, we always make it a point to let them experience the tradition and culture that we are very rich in. So for example, during Kadayawan, we make sure that our guests go to Kadayawan Village. Kaya naadid po tanan ang tribal houses using the kanang original gyud na mga materials to show to us unsa ang ilang panginabuhi sa ilahang lugar gyud. So we have the 11 tribes. We are very thankful of the 11 tribes because 11 tribes is really the embodiment of Kadayawan. So we are celebrating the bountiful harvest. And of course, gikan na sa lahat from the IPs and the morrows. So right now with the Bantawan, we always make sure that we experience the Bantawan cultural presentation diha magod gina-showcase nila. For example, in the afternoon, we have the culinary presentation. So sa hapon, ipakita nila ang ilahang mga dishes. For example, with the tausug, they showcase their chula itom. Na wala gyud ko kakaon ana except dito. And then, of course, ang Magindanawan na ilahang bifrandang, lami kaayo. And for the eyepiece, we enjoyed the nilotlot of the eyepiece. And then, the experience na ko ang nilotlot og ang, although I think they are being served sa halos tanan, no, na mga eyepiece na tribes, na-experience magud ako siya sa Bagobo, Tagabawa, ang ilahang pako ug ang ilahang nilotlot na the best kaayo. So those are the ilahang products na i-immerse ninyo inyong sarili na naada ay tayong ana na pwede nato ikahambog. And all this you will be experienced in the Bantawan cultural presentation. Not only the culinary part but also the authentic performances that will be conducted by these 11 tribes. Okay. Ang naasa schedule ang nasa schedule kay August 13 to 15. So that will be at Magsaysay Park. And aside from that, dihapon mahitabo ang opening, ang pag-abri in Magsaysay Park. And also we have the Pananan sa Kadayawan na atay Food and Products Expo na i-showcase dito sa 11 tribes ang ilahang pagkaon at ilahang mga produkto. So, ma-experience na ninyo tanan during Kadayawan. So, in fact, all the schools are being encouraged, strongly encouraged to join, to experience, to immerse themselves sa atuang kultura. Let us try to preserve our culture and tradition kasi maugni ang mga ginabisitahan, number one, sa mga turista, ang authenticity sa atong kultura o tradisyon diri sa Davao.
And I thank you.
And I thank you.
Okay. Questions? Or questions? Later, no, si Harold, we'd like to acknowledge Harold Kibete. He will be joining us later for more info about the Kadayawan Festival.
Hello po, good morning. So, I am Rafael Atikbo from Mindanao Times. So, may I ask po, ano na po yung mga challenges na naranasan nyo, na-experience nyo last year na need you improve this upcoming Kadayawan Festival so that you can be more effective and you can provide 100% quality of service para sa mga Babayan and especially sa mga tourists natin na pupunta ngayong Kadayawan Festival. Ano yung mga challenges at need you improve this upcoming Kadayawan Festival?
Grabe, Miss Universe, man kayo na joke. Okay, challenges, actually more of improvement. Acknowledging na kaning mga during Kadayawan maugid niya ginaanhian sa atong mga bisita, especially sa mga hotels. So gina-expect yun nila sa mga hotels na pagsulod pa lang nila ma-experience na nila ang Kadayawan. Kung pwede pa lang ang durian ibutang sa door para masimutan na nilang durian, kabalo sila nanan na sila sa Davao o Kadayawan na. Kasi let's face it, during Kadayawan grabe ka-abundant ang atong mga prutas. Number one ang durian, karon ang mangustin, mga nga na ato mga produkto na ginaantabayanan yun during Kadayawan. So as much as possible, when they come in, our guests come in, sa facade pa lang, we try to make sure na naana dayoy Kadayawan, makafeel na dayoy sa celebration through our, number one, decoration, through our welcome, of course, the Filipino brand of service, na mabuhay ug madyaw, kay mawagid na atong ginakahambog diri sa Davao, nakadasulod sa mga guests nato, makafeel dayoy sila, uy, nako sa Davao, kay mabuhay ug madyaw kaayo. So, mao na, ginapanghambog na nato. So, we just make sure na every year, ma-feel na nila kung napatay kadugang mas maayo, pero ang gina-make sure lang nato when they come in, they will already feel the celebration, which is the Kadayawan.
For Malagos Garden Resort naman, our main challenge is the bulk of day tour guests. So during Kadayawan, we receive at least 200% increase of our average day tour guests. So one of the complaints talaga is the lunch buffet because the capacity would only accommodate at around 500 packs. So this year, we have anticipated and we've opened our Koi Cafe for as backup and also other available function rooms just in case naman it will increase pa up to 300, hopefully. Thank you.
Actually, same din po sa Eden Nature Park and Resort. We wanted to make sure that the guest was parang ma-experience nila ang kadayawan pagkapasok pa lang sa resort. So, parang for improvement naman namin is, yun nga po, may presentation kami for cultural performance for our Kultura Edeng. For during our lunch buffet, since wala masyadong performance during lunch buffet namin, only music lang. So we make sure now na may performance na with Kultura Edeng, then regular performance din namin sa Tinubdan Cultural Village namin.
As well as the Lanang Suites, we are a homegrown hotel, so we make sure that the guest is welcome. And aside from that is, we don't have this actual dance performance, but we have this music in the lobby for them to when they enter, they feel that it's Kadayawan. And we have this, we're having ongoing like project for the Kadayawan art in our entrance.
Alright, so challenges, siguro way back before sa resort namin sa Davao Bamboo Sanctuary and Ecological Park, there were only few activities that were held during the Kadayawan season or any festival season. So this year, what changed? No, so what changed is that one of the key highlights that we had for Kadayawan would be our welcome snacks. So part of your day tour package when you enter our resort is you have a free welcome snacks. So our free welcome snacks highlights pomelo juice, no? So one of our diba, yung isa sa mga harvest natin dito sa Davao, the pomelo. So yun, pomelo juice will be your welcome drink, no? And then we also highlight new food on our menu. So for example, we are adding for Kadayawan season our festival fraps. For example, we have our durian frap. We also have our durian coffee. And then we also highlight our homemade durian ice cream. Ayan. So you can experience that at Davao Bamboo Sanctuary.
Okay, and more questions? Yes, Gio?
Hello. Question na lang sa Rogenin. Ma'am, clarify lang po ma'am, is this your first time makipag-partner sa 11 Tribes or dugay na
We started last year.
Last year.
Na nagsugod bago ba tagabawa po ng ato ang partner sa hotel. Karong nga year sila na po nag-express of interest if they can come back this year. And of course, who are we to say no, di ba? Lahi ra gyud.
With this partnership, ma'am, how is this different sa inyong last year na kaning Kadayawan, ma'am?
Okay, this year, longer ang ilahang exposure sa Rojan Inn. Before magod murag, nag-start ng yun siya katong last 3 days sa Kadayawan. So, moto Thursday, Friday, Saturday. This year, nagsugod murag 1 week yun sila this year. More than 1 week kay. Start sila August 10 until August 18. Yes.
Ang role nila, ma'am, is to showcase ilang cuisine or napabaylain, ma'am? Like ilang role sa inyong partnership, ma'am, with Rogenin?
More on non-food products. Ilahang mga tangkulo, maumana ang mga tangkulo, yes, tangkulo. And then they have mga sanina na naay mga beads na binuhatan sa ilahang mga katribo. And of course, aside from that, during their display, ipakita po nila ginaunsa nila pag bidding, ipakita po nila. And of course, katong mga bata na para dili mawala ang legacy, they really try their best to educate their kids na dili kalimtan ang ilahang kultura. So most of the performers that will be there are the Bagobo Tagabawa kids. So the performance, most probably ang target namo kung pwede mag-start siya on the 16th up to the 18th of August.
So ano siya ma'am, it's showcasing their culture and at the same
Yes.
time i-preserve na siya.
Yes.
Of
oo.
the 11 tribes ma'am, no?
11 tribes, specifically Bagobo Tagabawa, kay sila ang mag-display sa mga dito. Yes.
So ang ano nila ma'am is food, tong ilang attires,
Yes.
or unsa patuban ma'am?
Performances.
Performances, and then katong preserving of that culture, no? Educating.
Yeah, oo, mao gyud na. Nakita maka-appreciate nato ug suportahan nato ang ilahang mga gibuhat, ilahang gipangmugna sa pamamagitan ng pagbili.
Sige.
At ang pagrespeto also sa paggamit sa atong mga gipalit sa ilang mga produkto. Kay that's one thing, that usually the products that they made, it takes them 2 years, some, especially katong ilahang I forgot the cloth, ilahang weaves. It takes them 2 years ang iba bago matapos. So in fact, some of them, it takes them parang days before they decide if they're going to sell it or not. Kay some, ikuan yun ba? Kay syempre, pila nila ka years gibuhat. So kami, kung nagpalit mig mga produkto nila, we make sure na pangutanon na mo sila unsaon na mo paggamit para dili ta maka-cause of disrespect sa ilang mga produkto.
Okay. And last na lang question po ma'am. Sa inyong side sa Rogin Inn, what would be this, unsay impact ani para silang community ma'am? Unsay ang ma-benefit nila ma'am? Oo.
Ma-benefit exposure o makitaan sa mga tao na naay ingani na mga tribo na nagamugna o ingani ka mga nindot na mga produkto. So isa na, and then sa pag-support man gud sa ilahang mga produkto, mapadayon man gud nila, di ba? Kay kung walay mo suporta, syempre manginabuhi sila glain. So ang ilahang mga products mawala na sa So we make sure na dili na siya mamawala by supporting them, showcasing their products, promoting their products. So isa na, dili lang sa Bagobo Tagabawa, but sa the rest of the 11 tribes na naay mga produkto na dako kaayo mahimong impact sa community.
In their respective communities ma'am.
Yes, oo. Sa ilang mga community nila. Kinaaman ko sila mga kanya-kanyang mga produkto na mga nindot gyud kaayo. So you have to go to Magsaysay Park and see their products sa ilang mga balay. Pala makita nimo pagmugna nila sa ilang mga tribal houses. This is not only limited to Kadayawan. I think murag naamang gyud sila, naamang gyud mga tribal representatives na nakastay sa mga tribal houses para mapadayon, especially sa mga bisita nato na gusto mula dito, ma-experience nila even dili Kadayawan.
Okay, ay last na lang dito ma'am. Katong sa Magsaysay Park, separate event na sa Rogin Inn.
Mauna ni.
Amon.
Sige, mauna ni siya. Separate siya.
Dili jud sila mismo sa Rogin Inn
Dili sa Magsaysay
Magsaysay Park.
Kung pwede lang nyo, ganahan yun ko na sila dito tanan kay gwapo yun kaayo. Once na ma-experience nimo ang ilahang kultura, ma-love yun nimo ilang kultura, murag mahimo na nimo siyang mantra. Mahimo na nimo siyang murag magiging asa tawag na magiging kanang gusto nimo i-share na sa tanan gani kay unsa gyud siya unsa siya maka-proud siya. Muna siya.
August 16 ba yun?
August 16 to 18 ang Bantawan Cultural Presentation. I'm sorry, August, tanawa, nalibog na ko. Wait lang, akong kaloro na dyan, Okay, for Rogin, naatay promo, Kadayawan promo until September. For the Bantawan Cultural Presentation, August 13 to 15 siya. And of course, please also visit Dula Kadayawan. Ang Dula Kadayawan, August 17 ni siya. Lahi po ni siya nga experience para sa atua.
Sige, thank you.
Okay, aduna pa ba tayo questions? Okay, before we proceed to the second set of guests, basi ka doon na tayo madungag ng mga information ng atong mga bisita sugod sa Bamboo. By the way, it's been a while nga nakadto ko sa inyong resort, pero kumusta na ang access road dito pasulod?
With regards to the access road to the resort right now, still, meron pa rin kaming 600 meters na unpaved road. Pero it's well maintained by our partner, which is Aboitiz. So, Aboitiz is also doing the road, no, to our resort. So, kasi merong dam doon na nagsusupply ng kuryente sa Davao. But we are already working with Barangay Baguio for the new road na dadaanan. Bale, we will be transferring our main entrance na dun sa taas na hill. So, probably by the end of the year or start of next year, yun yung targets namin for that. Tapos, yun.
Do you want to add anything more sa inyong events for Kadayawan?
Yeah. So, we are inviting everyone to come and visit Davao Bamboo Sanctuary and Ecological Park. Not only this Kadayawan season, but all throughout the year, no? We have activities in line with the Kadayawan that is on the 16th to the 18th, no? Bale, meron tayong mga cultural shows, mga live performances during the nights, and then yun na nga our new menu upcoming this August with our new chef also from Manila. Ayan.
Thank you very much to Lanang Sweets.
I'm inviting everyone to visit and experience Kadayawan in our hotel, which is the Lanang Suites. Nearby lang po siya dito sa SM Lanang, which is like 5-minute walk lang po siya. So that's all.
Pinakaduol na hotel diri sa SM.
Pinakaduol na hotel.
Next, from Eden Nature Park.
So for Eden po, recap ko lang po, we have this Kadayawan weekend room promo with 40% off sa aming deluxe and standard rooms. We have this weekend cultural performances, Kadayawan feast at Vista Restaurant. We have special buffet po siya, lunch buffet, Davao-inspired dishes. Then we also have this fashion collection for Miss Maan Chua, a Davao icon of Mindanaoan music. Then we also have this Pasalubong corner sa souvenir shop po namin. So I hope you can visit Eden Nature Park and Resort where nature meets adventure.
Thank you. From Malagos Garden Resort. Dapat ay chocolate na humba karon?
Yes,
Sa
sir.
buffet?
Yes.
Kaya mga akong inaatangan for me. Pagkadayawan.
Yes, but
Chocolate
we
na
also
humba.
offer the Malagos pork humba sa a
Pork
la
humba.
carte, sir,
Sa ana
if
po
you
sa
want
a la
to
carte, of
order sa
course.
restaurant po.
Okay.
We'll inform our chef, sir, dapat na siya. Yes, we are inviting everyone to celebrate with us during our Kadayawan Festival at Malagos Garden Resort. It's a 3-day thematic lunch buffet at 949, but you get an early bird promo at 849 if you will book in advance. You get to enjoy, of course, our local dishes. We always showcase our linot-not na manok for the past 2 years and be serenaded by our Ovo Manuvo tribe with their tribal instrumentals, and also you get to also invite everyone to participate and enjoy the simulated heritage tribal games to bring us back to the old olden times and get a chance to win our raffle prizes. Thank you.
Thank you. And of course, Roger In plus Bantawan.
Let me invite you to Rojan Inn and experience Kadayawan also in our hotel. Enjoy the products that will be showcased there during the Kadayawan, and also malingaw na pud mo sa mga fruit stand kay magbutang lagi mig ready-made fruit stand dito para dili na mo maglisod pangita sa mga produkto na available sa Davao City, especially during Kadayawan. Aside from that, Rojan Inn is a compound. So dito ma-enjoy ninyo atong mga homegrown restaurants sama sa The Vines. We also have Marina Tuna, of course, Marina Tuna, and napod tayo sangyup salamat. And of course, our Habi at Kape na Instagrammable kaayo. So, adto lang mo dito. Napod tayo bago, Yofos. So, humanin nyo, paniod to, panihapon, dessert will be available at Yofos. Aside from that, we also have our lounge, Rojan Lounge, Cafe and Bar. We're serving affordable drinks, and aside from that, our famous Sergeant Pepper's Pizza. And right now, we have a new product. It's called served by Bloom and Bake. We're serving sweet treats right now dito. Available lang sa Rojan Inn Lounge, Rojan Inn Cafe, Lounge, Cafe and Bar. And kung gusto niyo magpagwapa natin, Element Salon and Spa, and soon we will be opening our Spa by Holiday and also Bloom and Bay Cafe. So kanang tanan na-enjoy na ninyo sa Virgin Inn. Human ninyo matulog, pag mata ninyo, dagan na kayo mo makita dito. And of course, natay Family Mart dito. So naana dito tanan, pag sud ninyo, di na mo manggawas. Thank
All
you.
right, thank you very much. Our friends from Davao Bamboo Sanctuary, Lanang Suites, Eden Nature Park, Malagos Garden Resort, and Rojan Inn. And we're very thankful no kay gidalan niyo kadayawan spirit sa inyong mga establishments. Dili lang mag-celebrate sa gawas, pati sa inyong mga establishments as well. So again, thank you very much. And for our next batch, thank you. Palapakan po itong guest.